This is Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, and in today's video I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to start, locate the Google Drive app on your phone, then launch it. If required, or if you haven't already, you will need to sign into your Google account. Then I will probably, no, not really. So before I start, let me quickly erase all the previous entries that I have over here. So to continue, you will need to tap at this plus icon to your bottom right somewhat. Then choose the scan function. After that, allow Google Drive to have an access to camera. Then take whatever document you wanted to make the scan of and, well, take a photo of it. Check the result. If you are satisfied, you can proceed. If not, redo the photo. At the following interface, you can rotate your document, change its color preferences, and crop the original photo like that. Then hit the save button. At this menu you can rename your file and change its location or the location that this document will be saved to, and then hit that save button one last time. Wait for the scan to get uploaded to your Google Drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.